Hi guys, I am Brian Puzan and I will show you now how to insert a picture in a picture box in a certain form by using Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. The first thing you do guys is just open the application My Visual Studio. After that guys, as you can see there is a form here. This is where my picture box to be placed. So if you want to place a picture box guys, just follow my instruction. First thing you'll do guys is just click the toolbox here and find the picture box. If you found the picture box guys, just click it and click also where you want to place it. After that guys, make it big so that you can see it clearly when you place the picture inside of it. Okay, after you make the size big guys, in inserting a picture here, just click the properties in the right side of your screen and then find the image here and then click the button in the right side of it. Okay, there is some option in choosing pictures. You can choose here in the resources. You can also import some pictures from your from your computer. So for me, I will choose some pictures in my computer, so I will click the import, then find the where the picture is, and then choose the picture you want to place, then open. There it is guys, the picture, and then click OK if you want to place it to the picture box. Okay, as you can see guys, your picture is not suited to the size of your picture box. So if you want to occupy the picture box guys, just click it here and then change the size mode in stretch image. There guys, your picture is on your picture box now. So that's all guys. This is again Brian Puzan, and have a nice day.